How are you, gentlemen?
Yes.
How is it?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Where are you going, brother?
Ngiyalaphela ukuzela emakhaya.
Everything is okay, all right? Let me check them.
How are you, sir?
Yebo.
Looking to Constable Chana.
Yebo.
Can I please see your license?
License khona.
Can I see your license? Please, park that side. Go and park that side.
Stop there.
Okay, what's wrong? What's wrong with your car? What's your car? Can't you hear what I'm saying?
Yeah, ngizova ilitshe office.
What?
Ilitshe ngizova ilitshe.
Ilitshe?
Yeah.
So you mean to tell me your car does not have brakes?
Amabreak akhona nto yazi izinto officer kuyadubuka lokusendleleni.
Where is your license?
License khona officer manje ngiyakunika this. Ngicela ukuthi
Don't even have brakes.
This
Don't
car
even
is
have
not
brakes
working.
here.
don't kuvali.
Yeah.
Switch your car fast and give me your license.
Makaphume emotweni. Maphume emotweni. Phume emotweni.
Mr. Mashallah, come out.
Okay officer.
As you're coming out, can you hood for me?
Athi ngibona izinto zakhe.
Sorry officer. Ihuda
There's no sound coming out. It's not working.
ihuda officer isikhalile. It's done.
You put a stone to break. You don't have a wood.
But officer.
You don't have a license.
But khuluma nomunye officer omunye. Ihuda sikhalile.
Ikhalile.
No, did you hear the sound of it? There's nothing.
Hayi ikhalile kuseni. Khala ka1.
Ayikhali uthi.
This guy is a joke.
Ayikhali.
Your hood
Okay.
should be working throughout.
Yeah, ukuthi officer kathesi.
You see, your car is not roadworthy.
Yes, but kathesi officer ukuthi ngiye siye emngcwabeni
No.
phutshele
I'm
ngqoko.
going to give you a ticket. What happened here?
Lapha lithendele leli.
And what's a tendele?
Ithendele.
What's a thendele?
That one is running too much.
What's that?
Bathi
And then here, what happened?
Ngaphi?
What happened?
Lapha ngathaya imbuzi kamakhelwane lapha officer.
No. You have to be joking. You have to. I'm giving you a ticket. There's no way.
Yeah,
There's
but-
no way we can tolerate such behavior on the streets. What's your name?
In Mahlalela. But bengicela officer
And how can you say your car hoots once a day?
ikhala ka1 ani kwaphana nkosikanti uthe intese ngihamba kwaphana lokhana ukuthi nje
Are you sure you're okay?
mina
Are you sure you're
Mina,
okay?
I'm okay.
When you tell me your car hoots once,
yeka 1 anti kwaphana nginqamvalisa inkosikazi emphume egedini
you said
ihle
your name is Mahlalela.
Mahlalela yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Ihuda sikhalile imtshela ukuthi
Okay.
ihuda ngilayo
Okay.
but ikhala ka1.
He said he just do it once.
No.
Early in the
We
morning.
don't tolerate nonsense. We don't tolerate such behavior.
Ngoba
on the
ihuda le anti ile touch ukuthi ungahuda ka1 sihude for ilanga lonke ayisawude
Oh,
futhi.
all right.
Yes.
Ile isethiwe.
Hayi kuthi kuyabile touch yona ngwayo.
This car is not roadworthy.
Okay.
Okay officer.
Ama
Your
break
address?
again. Njengoba imoto yakho.
ama break kuqhamuka kulahleka ioil yani i-clutch field.
Okay.
And you continue driving.
But besensendleleni officer ukuthi
Is there someone dying when you are going?
isiyemngcwabeni ngale.
Already someone is dead.
Yeah, ugogo.
So you rushing, is it going to make that person wake up?
siya kugogo ngale siyemngcwabeni.
No. What's your address?
Address 4729 evillage duze la kodube. Duze la
So
kodube.
if you want to get letters, we say village in.
Evillage duze lo dubu Knox.
Village what?
Village 2.
Okay.
Village
For the brakes, we're going to find you. It's going to be $30.
Ama break officer.
For the
Mr.
woods, it's
Mr.
going to be
Mashlalela.
$10.
Yes.
Mr. Mashlalela.
I want to give
Kumele
you
ulungise le view mirror
a
lakho.
severe
le.
punishment.
Yeah.
I-view mirror lakho le kumele ulungise Mr.
View
Mashlalela.
mirror again.
Alikho la. Akula view mirror.
Iview mirror ilokhu zeni imvuka lokhu zeni kaMguni uthe uyabhadala. Officer.
Can you double check everything?
Mguni agree to pay.
The
About
issue with
this
the
ship.
Mguni guy is your problem, not mine. My problem with you, you don't have a wood, you're not carrying your license, you don't even have brakes.
I-license ngishina njengoba nje ukuthi bengikhanzi ngamaphutha phana i-license yami yasala khona phana office.
So the Maputis made you leave your license.
Ye lapha disikhanzi ngelamaphutha kwa phana ikona bengicheck on
So
license.
that next time you don't forget your license. So that next time, the first thing you pick up, when you're picking up your keys, you take your license. I'm going to fine you $100.
Even your hazards, ama hazards akungathi awasebenzi.
Amazatsi imoto angicitshile.
Kuchile.
Yeah.
Kuyasebenza.
But the hazards should be working.
Okay. Ade ngisichekele mina sel.
Yeah.
Check them very quick so that I can also
Let me
write a
check.
ticket. View mirror,
Yeah.
that is going to be $5. And then the hazards, are they working? You have to be joking. You don't drive. You're eating maputi, you're going to your funeral, you leave your license, your car is not roadworthy. And the hazards, what's going on with the hazards?
Was a long
Constable, are the hazards working?
No. Awasebenza.
That is going to be another $5.
Awasebenza.
was a long illness for
The long illness is
old
costing
lady.
you now.
So I'm going to the funeral. Just pass on.
Constable
yesterday.
Chaneta
Yes.
is the one who was assisting you.
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir. Make sure you pay your fine, get inside your car and go. Hopefully they won't catch you in front.
Sungahamba.
They're
Okay.
going to
Sungahamba.
arrest him. He won't reach wherever he's going.
Sungahamba.
All right. Okay.
Drive your car, enter and
Sungahamba.
drive. We want to deal with other drivers here.
All right.
Okay,
Sungahamba ke.
Constable.
Hello.
Yes?
Sorry, Constable Chaneta.
What is it now?
Please. Just a push.
What push?
Just a kick one. Just a push, please.
Are you mad? You want me to help you push this car? Move your car. He
Uthini?
wants me to push this car.
Push push wami.
Push.
Move your car.
I got to. Let's just try.
No, no.
Let's just help you.
There's another car coming. Can you please move your car?
Yeah,
Move your car.
Let's just help you. Help him. Let's try.
I don't have time for that. Just move your car. Move your car.
Let me help you.
I have to stop another car.
Yeah, ndoda. Hello. Asambe pe. Hey.
Come on, there's another car coming. I have to
Asam. Akathi imoto yakho ayihamba. Asam. Yini? Ngiyazama phela.
Mr. Makale, he's pushing you. Can you please?
Yo.
Okay.
Next time we won't allow you to go.
Asam.
Next time we
All
won't
right,
allow you
Asam.
to go.
Asambe. Let's go. Asam. You're right.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
This car is not working.
Yeah.
Let's stop this one.
Yes.
Stop this one.
Hey baba, pula side man, awuzizwa, pula lana.